In this video, I'm going to show you how to send voice message on Zangi. To send a voice message on Zangi, open the Zangi application on your mobile device and log in. Now make sure you're inside the chat section at the bottom left and then tap on the chat with the person you want to send a voice message to. If you don't have an existing chat, you can start a new one by selecting contacts at the bottom and choosing one of the contacts from your contact list. Once you're inside the chat thread with the person, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the little microphone icon. You will need to access Zangi to use your microphone on your device. Simply go ahead and enable microphone setting, toggle on the button right next to microphone and get back to Zangi. Once you're inside, you will then need to press and hold the microphone icon at the bottom right and speak your audio. Make sure to speak into the phone's microphone while holding the button. And once you stop holding the button, it'll be sent as a voice message. All you need to do is to simply release the microphone icon to send the voice message automatically. If you want to cancel the recording, you can slide towards the left and the recording will be sent to trash. When sent, you'll see the voice message in the chat at the top. Now you've sent a voice message. That is how you can easily send voice message on Zangi in just a couple of steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more Zangi tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.